Plse Amino Acid Care Refreshing Hair Shampoo. Lasting fragrance for 24 hours. Effectively cleans hair and scalp, refreshing and anti-dandruff, leaving hair soft and smooth. Plse Amino Acid Care Hair Conditioner. Moisture Care System. Repair dry and damaged hair, leaving hair soft and smooth, shiny and lasting fragrance. Plse Amino Acid Care Moisturizing Body Wash. It's refreshing and comfortable. The fragrance is overflowing, and after bathing, the body exudes fragrance. Moisture Care System. Instantly soft skin, lasting nourishment. Enjoy a delicate bubble bath